Let's open the Chapter 7 Camera 1 scene again. Notice that we're back to the boring and static image that we had from our flat camera. Notice that we have horizontal and vertical lines and a centrally placed subject. We know now that we should be using the rule of thirds to place our important objects in our composition, and we should also be using diagonals. Make sure the camera view is active. Click on the Orbit tool from the navigation tools. We're going to orbit our camera by moving our cursor down and to the right. We're going to establish a diagonal in our scene using the edge of the desktop. Then we'll click on the hand tool in the navigation toolbar and click and drag so that the Bunsen burner is in the upper right intersection for the rule of thirds. If we look at our camera view, we can see that we have the diagonals that are leading from the left edge of the screen towards the right edge of the screen. These diagonals lead us towards the Bunsen burner, which is now at one of the intersections of the rule of thirds. The diagonal gives this image the illusion of motion. It keeps the eye of the viewer traveling through the image, in this case from lower left to upper right, and is considered in many cases the most dynamic. If you pay attention to these traditional elements of composition and learn to incorporate them into your camera views, you'll soon see from the reaction of people who see your work the effect that good composition has on them. It's worth studying some outside sources. If you go to the internet and type in image composition, you'll find an enormous amount of information on any number of rules of composition, including many that we didn't discuss here.